Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Today is 7 June 2021 and the day is Monday. This is your science period. Today we are going to revise chapter number 11, the earth, sun, moon and stars. In this chapter we are talking about earth, landforms of earth, water, sun, moon and stars, and going to the moon. So what is our earth made up of? As you all know that earth is made up of land and water, and 3/4 part of the earth is water and 1/4 part of the earth is land. So it's look like a blue marble because it has more water than land, as you all know. So earth is a third planet, a planet of solar system, and it travels in a definite path called an orbit around the sun, and its travel on its path that is called an orbit. Landform: the earth has definite landforms such as forests, deserts, hills, mountains and valley. The earth has different landforms such as forest, desert, hills, mountain, valley, forest cover large area of the earth. Earth has different forms of land, like forests, deserts, hills, valleys, mountains. So, and the forests are covered the large area of the earth. A forest is large area covered by thick growth of trees and bushes. So forests cover the covered with thick growth of trees and bushes. And next we have desert. Desert is very dry land, and that usually covered with sand and very hot, and with hardly any or no rainfall. There is a very less rainfall in desert. A hill is usually rounded area of highland which is higher than the surrounding land but not as high as a mountain. They are usually rounded area, and they are high but not as high as a mountain. A mountain is an area of land that rises very high above the surrounding land and is much higher than a hill. Mountain is higher than hill, okay, and it's above the surrounding. A valley is an area of lowland between hills or mountains. What is valley? Valley is the lowland which is in between or hill or mountains. Okay, it's between hills or mountains. It's called valley. Hill station in Pakistan we have Murree. Murree is a hill station. Or valley we have Aptabad is a valley, for example. Water: a large part of our planet earth is covered with water, as you all know. Okay, plants, animals and other living things need water to live. Means human beings, plants and animals need water. We cannot survive without water. Most of the water on the earth is found in oceans and seas in the form of salt water. Okay, we found water, most of the water in seas and oceans. Okay, in the form of salt waters. The water of seas and ocean is salt water. Fresh water can be found in ponds, streams, lakes and rivers. So where we found fresh water, we found fresh water on lakes, streams and rivers and ponds, and ocean and seas, and we found salt water. A lot of water in is in the form of snow and ice. We found a lot of water in the form of snow and ice. Sun. The sun is a big ball of hot gases. It shines brightly and give us heat and light. What suns give us? Suns give us heat and light, and it's bright, shinily. Okay, is a big ball of hot gases. Sun is looks so smaller because but it is much bigger than the earth. Sun looks so small because it's very far from the earth, but it is much bigger than the earth. Plants and animals need sunlight. Plants make food with the help of sunlight. Animals, plants and humans as well, we all need sunlight, and plants make their food with the help of sunlight. We work and play during the day and sleep at night. What we will do in daytime? What we will do? We work and play, and at night we sleep. And we should avoid looking directly at the sun because its rays are very harmful for our eyes. Moons and stars. The moon is smaller than the earth and is moved round the earth. Earth moves round the sun, and here earth moon move, move moon moves round the earth. Okay, and it's take a month, like 29 to 30 days to complete its one round, or you may say one rotation. Okay, it's rotate moon rotates around the earth, and sun rotates around the earth rotates around the sun, and moon rotates around the earth. The moon does not give off its own light. It shines by reflecting sunlight that falls on it. Moon has no light, as we all know, so it shines by the reflecting of sunlight that falls on it. And on different days we see parts of the moon of different shape. uh, we see different parts of the moon shapes in different days. We see a lot of stars in the sky at night. We cannot count the number of stars because they are too far from us. They are large in size, but looks very small, as you know that they are very far away from us, and they stars are seen in clusters. Clusters mean in a group. So the moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky. Going to the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man who stepped on the moon in 1969 in the spaceship Apollo 11. Okay, he reached the moon, and he brought some photographs of the moon, its soils and rocks, and in this mission he learned so many things about moon. He learned that there is no air or water, and there is no form of life on the moon. There is no air and no water on the moon, and there is no form of life on the moon, because it's impossible for anyone to live on the moon. And would you like to travel to the moon? So it's not easy, or no one able to live on the moon, because there is no air and no water. Okay, so we cannot survive here. Okay, in this chapter we learn about earth, sun, moon and stars, land and water, and planets. The sun gives us dash and heat, light and heat. The moon reflects the light of the dash, the light of the sun. Dash are big in size but look very small. Stars are big in size but they look very small. The visible part of the dash changes shape every night. Who changes shape every night? Moon. The dash gives us heat, light and energy. The sun. Write true or false statement. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. The moon gives us heat, light and energy. False. There are 20 stars in the sky. False. Mars is the third planet from the sun. False. Earth is the third planet from the sun. The moon does not give off its own light. True. Okay. For today, till here, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.